Hey everyone, are you tired of blurry, low resolution images that just don't cut it? In today's video, we are going to show you how to upscale your images using powerful AI tool.
Just follow these steps.
First, you must go to Play Store app and search for HiPic. If you don't have this app installed, just click and install that app. I already have this app. I just opened that app. On the home page, just scroll down. You will find the HC Restore. Just click on it and upload your picture. Just turn on auto mode and here your picture got restored to high resolution. In this app, additionally, you can also enhance your picture quality according to your choice. You can enhance your picture shine, temperature, shadow, and many more. Depends upon your picture quality and requirement. This app has vast option, and the best part of this app is that it's totally free and unlimited. And here is the final result. How this app has turned our low quality images into a free, high quality, attractive images. If you like this video, then do subscribe, like and share this video.